I just wanted to make this video for Chris Johnstone at the Loan Officer CRM.ai because I am just absolutely freaked out about how awesome the support is for this CRM. I have never seen a product in my life with this level of support, especially a CRM. Most loan officers, they get CRMs and they hate them because they can't make it do all the things it's supposed to do because there's terrible support. You have to go to the FAQs, read articles, swim through video libraries, swim through little videos to try and find what you're looking for. Not here. With the Loan Officer CRM.ai, this thing is so incredible. I'm just gushing over it. I love it so much. There's a little button that says live Zoom support. You're inside, you push the button. Then you're on a Zoom call and there's people there ready to help. They're like, hey, what's up? How can we help you? You go, hey, I need to make this power dialer work. They're like, great, let's go through it. And they just take you right through it. It's not like I have to set an appointment. I don't have to pay extra. I don't have to swim through FAQs and articles and video libraries. They're just there when I need them. They're there 10 to 4 Eastern every day. I've never even had to wait. I get in there. There might be a couple people like, oh, Frank, what do you need? Oh, I need this. I'll say, oh, we're going to have so-and-so meet you in this other room. Just go there. And I click a button. I'm in this other room with this support person, and they're all wonderful, absolutely delightful. Walk me through my situation, and it's done.